Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer USDT from MEXC to Trust Wallet. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your Trust Wallet. So make sure that you have your Trust Wallet set up already. And once you're here, you will select your USDT and then you will click receive, and then you will also have to copy your wallet address. Then you will have to log into your MEXC, and once you're here, you will look for the wallet section. So it should be right here. It really depends on the layout of your screen or the version that you have. And what you will do once you see the wallet section is you will select withdraw and then click USDT, and then you will just have to paste what you've copied from Trust Wallet earlier, which is the Trust Wallet address, and then you will select the network, which is either ERC20, BSC, or TRC20, matching your Trust Wallet. And then you will just have to enter the amount of USDT to transfer, and then you will confirm the withdrawal fees and double check wallet address and network, and of course you will complete the 2FA verification and click submit. Then after all that, you will just have to wait for the blockchain confirmation, and then the USDT will appear in your Trust Wallet shortly. And by the way, always use the correct network to avoid losing funds, and copy and paste the addresses carefully. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.